Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small.
So, hello my friends. I haven't talked to you in such a long while because I can't tell you why. So much has been going on in my life, and here I am with no nose piercing because I had major, huge problems with that. So annoying. But now I wanted to film a quick little cute thing for you, which is how I deal with my hair and my current hair routine. I had a really perfect and good hair routine in the US and the Caribbean, but those products cannot be sent to where I live for some reason. So I have to improvise, and now you're gonna watch me improvise and do random things. And yeah, I have bangs now. Isn't that sexy? Not now. So yeah, now I'm gonna just co-wash my hair. I'm gonna deal with this mess right here. A fluffy head. Here you can see the Canto conditioner I use. It detangles my hair very well, and I always use it in combination with my Tangle Teaser hairbrush. I have the hair type, the curl type 3C, and the Tangle Teaser should work perfectly for you as long as you're anything above 3C or 3C. I always use the hair comb or brush I feel like using. Just do what feels comfortable for you. And yes, here you can see my little altar, because I'm a witchy witch. And I collect my hair. This is from the most recent haircut. My bangs. Incense, baby's breath, and candles. Some of my favorite things. Then here are the flax seeds I always use to cook my own self-made flaxseed conditioner. I add tea tree oil and olive oil so it stays fresh longer, because without it it gets a weird odor and just gets old. So you have to use essential oils to keep self-cooked conditioner fresh. Afterwards I top that off with curl defining cream. From this leave-in conditioner you're gonna achieve very small and defined curls. And it's important to top it off with some kind of moisturizing leave-in conditioner so your hair stays soft longer and doesn't dry out. Carol's Daughter 4-in-1 combining cream, which I sadly ran out of because it was the best thing I ever used in my life for my hair. But then I actually figured out that it's not the best thing for you to use, because you have to be careful with Carol Daughter's hair products, because they very often contain sulfates and sodiums, and those are things which are really, really bad for nice natural curls. Check the ingredient list. It feels so nice and soft and makes your curls extra big because it puts an extra layer on over your hair, over your curls, so it's extra soft. But the problem with that is that this layer stops the moisture from getting into your hair. So it's only on top of the cream. And that dries your hair out. So don't use that too often. Then afterwards I top it off with Apogee Prolific Definer, the Curls Blueberry Gel. What does that remind you of, my lesbian friends? Not funny. So yeah, I just applied the product to my hair, as you can see. Then I also used for my bangs gorilla thingy.
I wish that I could try.
Gorilla's not funny's name.
It's like all my days on the past, and I never really know what to say when you're standing right up in my face.
Even if they dry, they don't go all short and curl together. No, your hair really stays long with that. And the longer your hair is, the heavier it is and the bigger your curls will get. Without product, hair with product. For my final look, I use bobby pins, you can use any hairbrush, and just a Gorilla Gel to make the hair like laying flat on your head, as I told you. Then sneeze into your hand, yeah. Comb the hair. I like to use the horsey brush. I know it's not a horse brush, but I like to call it that way. And that's my final look.